Hello everyone, so today we are going to understand that how you can make a stack bar graph, an interactive stack bar graph on Canva. So what makes it interactive? See, for example, this stack bar graph shows state-wise groundwater usage in 2022. Now if I put my arrow on irrigation share here, all those lines which actually tells us that how much percentage of groundwater is used for irrigation will get highlighted. And if I put my arrow on other, all the lines which show that how much water is used for other purposes, how much like percentage of water is used for other purposes will get highlighted here. And not only that, but if I want to go to any particular state, for example, if I have to go on Tamil Nadu, I can just hover my arrow towards it on it, and it will show that in Tamil Nadu, 94.80% of groundwater is used for irrigation purposes. So this is what makes this graph interactive. And if you go for Excel, or if you put graphs on PowerPoint, they are generally not interactive and you have to explain them by putting these labels, data labels on these graphs. But this is kind of interesting and a cool graph, I would say. So let's understand how do you make graphs like this. So for that, you have to first of all go on elements on the left side of this Canva page, and then you have to type here chart, and then there are multiple charts which are going to come here, which are going to be interactive. And right now we are making a stack bar graph. So this is stack bar chart, and we have to go on data, and then we have to like enter all this data. And in the first column, I've entered the state's name. Then in the second column, I've entered that how much um, percentage of groundwater is used for irrigation purposes, so that I have done on the second column. And the third column I have mentioned for other percentage. You can just do some basic changes in the settings, like in the labels I wanted to show the names of the state, so I have kept here state. And you could also change the color if you want, if you're not liking this color but rather you want it to be blue, light blue, like that, so you could do that as well. So it's quite easy to make interactive uh, graphs on Canva. So that's how you do it. If you have any particular doubt, just do let me know and I'll try to answer it in the next video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.